Alright guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you another quick study about a t-shirt campaign that I ran not too long ago and was related to the electrical engineering niche. You can see the shirt right here. It's a very simple idea, funny concept, and was pretty cool. I sold 86 units of these t-shirts. I actually ended up selling over 200 units at the end with a relaunch I did. So as you can see here, the design, sleep with an electrician, wake up fully charged. As always, I'm going to show you everything step by step and exactly what I did. I hold nothing back, so you can take my exact strategies and niches, and if you want, reproduce them for a ton more of similar designs and concepts. I'm just going to go through the actual ad, how much money I spent and what I did exactly, the ROI, how I managed to make this simple campaign successful. What is important is the idea behind the design. Always remember that. Try to come up with something that's funny, like a joke. Jokes work great for t-shirts, extremely well. So what you see above is my original design, sleep with an electrician. Basically, the joke of the shirt here is if you sleep with an electrician, you wake up fully charged. Well, I don't think I have to explain the joke to you. You will get it. This shirt sold 86 units, and it was a great success considering the ease of the concept. Again, this concept proved that simplicity just sells. Can tell you how many simple designs keep selling on Teespring like this one. And this one is very easy. So now I'm going to show you the exact ad copy here, which is exactly the same I used with my previous case study. Hey, but as intellectual, I have a funny shirt for you that literally sold out in the first days. Act now, don't delay, not sold in stores. Guaranteed safe and secure checkout via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. Click buy now to pick up your size and order. And as you can see, I'm showing you the style and different price points. I use different styles and price points here, as you can see below. Hanes Table ST, 1995. Gildan 8 Odd Heavy Blend Hoodie, 39.95. Canvas Ring Spoon V-neck, 22.95. Gildan Women's Relaxed Fit Tee, 19.95. Hoodies V-neck and other lady styles. Different colors, of course. I used black, gray, and blue. And I ended up selling 86 t-shirts out of my original goal of 20. Now, I want to jump into my ads manager really quickly to show you the actual ad. Well, actually, I can show you here that I ran for my shirt. For this campaign, I set up two different ad sets, a desktop and a mobile ad set that I named Sleep with an Electrician. The CTR was really good for this ad set, 8.9%. I'm going to show you the exact numbers for this campaign. The mobile ad set, actually, which is right here. I spent for the ad 134. Post engagements were 5,731. The ad reach was 42,531. Frequency 1.57. Average cost per post engagement 4 cents. Clicks were 5,294, and like I said, the CTR was 8.9%. Now the copy for my Facebook post was basically the same I used for my previous ones. It's nothing complicated, like I said. Do you love being an electrician? Then you gotta get this funny shirt. Get yours here. Your T campaign link goes there. Not sold in stores. This will sell out soon. Use the urgency, okay? Insert your t-shirt image right there, so that's a place for that. Now let me tell you something about this Facebook post. It got over 4,000 likes and 260 plus comments. Now the targeting, my favorite part. I just love targeting. I'm going to show you what I did, which is the most important part of your ad. Okay, targeting it's very important. You need to know exactly how and who to target. Okay, my potential audience that I was targeting was 111,000 people from the United States, age 21-55, people who speak English, of course, field of study electrical engineering, and here the placements were on newsfeed on mobile devices. I didn't only use interest, but I also used the field of study here. Okay, and here are, as you can see, all the terms targeting interest that I used for this ad: electrician, auto electrician, construction electrician, United States Navy, electrical connector, electrical engineering, electrician's mate, master electrician, electrical engineers, electrician or association of, and on and on. These were all my targeting interests. Like I said, I also run a desktop ad set, and the total spent for this ad set was $361.29. I spent this money on the ad, and with 86 units sold, it gave me a revenue of around $1,715.70. The margin was $9.75, and that ended up giving me a huge ROI for this campaign. After that, as you can imagine, I just scaled this shirt up to around 200 units sold, if I remember correctly. And guess what? I was extremely happy with the results. Now I'll show you, like I said, desktop ads quickly and my exact numbers. It was the same ad and the same targeting. The post engagements for this ad were 2,571. Ad reach 9,713. Frequency 1.59. Average cost per engagement was 7 cents. Clicks 1,318. CDR 5.201%. The CDR is always kind of lower with the desktop ad, but 5% isn't too bad for a desktop ad, in my opinion. That's it for this case study. I always want to show you my actual campaigns and add some numbers, things that you absolutely need to know. The things that most so-called t-shirt experts never share with you, or ecom marketers, is that this ones. It's important you have a look at the actual numbers of an ad, not just fancy income screenshots. Specifically, it's important that you see the exact targeting, the exact targeting interest, so you can model after that for many different ad campaigns. I wanted to show you exactly who I targeted. Now you can move ahead knowing exactly how to target these audiences with your specific t-shirt designs. Honestly, it's very simple to create ads like this. It doesn't take too much time, so you need to familiarize yourself with the Facebook Ads Manager and start running a few ad campaigns. Once you have your design, you can go ahead and create your ad and start profiting as soon as possible. So that's it for me for this case study. I hope you enjoyed, and hope you found a few nuggets of information from me. Thank you so much for watching.